Welcome to your first lesson in your Google Sheets mini course. The first lesson is going to walk you through how to create or import files to your Google Drive. Now, the files that we're going to be working with, of course, are Google Sheets. So, the first thing we need to do is to go to a new tab. Now, you have two different options to access a new Google Sheet. The first thing you can do is go to sheets.google.com. And when you do, you'll see that the Google Sheets homepage comes up. And you know this because it says start a new spreadsheet. The other option that you have is to go to your Google Apps launch menu here and choose Google Sheets. Either one will take you to the same page. So, what you need to do at this point, you can either click on a sheet that you've been working on, and you see I have all kinds of sheets down here. Or if you want to start from scratch, you can do a blank spreadsheet, and clicking the plus sign will pull that sheet up for you. The second part of our first section is to learn how to import files. Now, to import means to bring in. So, what you're going to be doing is bringing in a file to your Google Drive that you have created either on a flash drive or on your computer, and you want to bring that into Drive so you can work on that. You can do that with either Google files, Google Sheets that you've created, or you can also do it with Microsoft Excel. Even though it was created with Excel, you can still modify it and work in it in a Google Drive. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Drive, and you can do that by typing in drive.google.com or going to your launch menu and choosing the Drive icon. And once you do, you are going to be able to import Microsoft Excel files. So if you look right here, I have two different examples, and you're going to be able to see the icon. This is a Google Sheet. It looks like a plus, kind of like a row in a column here. And then you have an X, which is for Excel. So if you see this icon, that means the sheet is in Excel format. If you see this icon, that means the sheet is in Google Sheets. So both of these are able to be uploaded and worked in Google Drive, but knowing what the icons look like will help you know what format that it's in. So if you want to bring in your own sheet, you can either bring it in straight into your drive, or if there's a folder you want to bring that sheet to, you can go ahead and open that up and then go to New, File Upload. And over on the side, you're either going to have Google Chrome look here, or you're going to have the Windows look. Either way, you're going to navigate to the file that you're looking for. So I'm going to click on this Microsoft Excel file and click on it. And when you do, it will say open. And you just click on that. Now, behind this little window I have to have open to record my videos is a status bar. And it will tell you when the sheet has been uploaded. And you can also see it appear here. At that point, you can click on it, open it up, and begin working in that file. So, in this lesson, we have learned two different things. One, we learned how to create a file from scratch, brand new file, and we've also learned how to import or bring in files into our Google Drive. In our next lesson, we're going to talk about how to work in your spreadsheet and add content. So, at this point, you are able to go in, open up a brand new sheet, and be ready for lesson 2. And we are going to talk about how to add content to your spreadsheet. See you in the next lesson.